Serbia has recently unveiled a new addition to its defense capabilities with the debut of the Alexander the Unifier, a family of multi-role armored vehicles designed to enhance both conventional and hybrid warfare operations. Presented during the Strength of Unity parade, an event held on the Day of Serbian Unity, Freedom, and National Flag, this platform signals Belgrade's determination to modernize its armed forces while projecting a message of technological progress and national resilience. The decision to reveal such a system in a high-profile public display underlines its importance not just as a military asset but also as a symbol of Serbia's growing defense ambitions. At the heart of the Alexander the Unifier concept lies a universal 4x4 chassis with independent suspension, purpose-built to provide superior payload capacity and exceptional off-road mobility. This design offers Serbian forces the ability to operate effectively across a wide spectrum of environments, from urban centers to rugged rural landscapes. While many nations have long invested in modular military platforms, Serbia's move to adopt this principle reflects an understanding of modern operational requirements, where flexibility and rapid adaptation are as critical as raw firepower. By standardizing the chassis across different mission configurations, Serbia also seeks to streamline logistics, simplify training, and reduce the long-term costs of maintaining a diverse vehicle fleet. The system's first public appearance showcased two distinct versions. The first was a tactical armored vehicle designed for patrol, escort, and security operations. This configuration is intended to provide protection against ambushes, enhance mobility in contested areas, and support both counter-terrorism and peacekeeping roles. The second version was demonstrated as part of the Gavran loitering munition system, which included a command vehicle and a launch platform with 8 containerized tubes for unmanned aerial munitions. By presenting both a conventional armored vehicle and an unmanned systems launcher, Serbia highlighted the dual nature of its modernization drive, building a stronger mechanized force while also embracing the growing role of autonomous and precision strike technologies on the battlefield. The integration of loitering munitions is particularly significant in the current security environment. Conflicts in recent years, from the South Caucasus to Eastern Europe, have shown the devastating effectiveness of unmanned precision weapons when paired with mobile platforms. By incorporating this capability directly into the Alexander the Unifier family, Serbia is not only increasing its strike flexibility but also signaling its intent to keep pace with modern warfare trends. The vehicle can therefore serve as a command and control hub, a launcher for precision systems, or a protected carrier for troops, all within the same standardized design. This level of adaptability ensures that the Serbian armed forces can tailor their forces to the specific demands of different operations without the need for multiple specialized fleets. From a strategic perspective, the unveiling of the Alexander the Unifier carries implications that extend beyond technical specifications. Serbia has been gradually expanding its domestic defense industry, with Yugoimport serving as the leading player in this process. By designing and producing indigenous systems, the country aims to reduce dependency on foreign suppliers and secure greater autonomy in its military planning. Furthermore, developing such vehicles enhances Serbia's potential in the global defense market, where modular and versatile armored vehicles have become increasingly attractive to countries seeking cost-effective yet capable solutions. The Alexander the Unifier could therefore serve not only Serbia's internal security and defense needs but also open doors for export opportunities in regions where affordable, multi-role platforms are in demand. Another critical dimension of the vehicle's design is its ability to accommodate a wide range of mission packages. Beyond troop transport and loitering munition deployment, the vehicle can be equipped with reconnaissance modules, electronic warfare payloads, artillery fire coordination systems, or short-range air defense weapons. This spectrum of options allows the Serbian military to transform a single platform into multiple mission-specific assets, significantly reducing logistical strain while increasing operational readiness. Such flexibility is particularly relevant in today's security environment, where military forces are often required to shift rapidly between counterinsurgency operations, border security missions, and potential high-intensity conflict scenarios. The political context surrounding the debut should not be overlooked. By choosing to present the vehicle during a national holiday parade, Serbian leadership reinforced the connection between military modernization and national identity. The name Alexander the Unifier itself evokes a strong cultural and historical resonance, suggesting that the vehicle symbolizes not just technical progress but also unity, strength, and resilience. This form of symbolic communication is common in defense unveilings worldwide, but in Serbia's case, it reflects an effort to consolidate public support for continued investment in defense modernization. Equally important is the broader message to Serbia's neighbors and international partners. In a region marked by complex security dynamics and overlapping alliances, Serbia's development of modern military platforms indicates its determination to remain a capable and independent actor. While the Alexander the Unifier is not a revolutionary breakthrough in global armored vehicle design, its unveiling demonstrates that Serbia is determined to avoid technological stagnation and to align itself with evolving military standards. This message is particularly relevant given the rapid pace of defense innovation in Europe and beyond, where unmanned systems, modularity, and mobility are increasingly defining the character of armed forces. Operationally, the introduction of this vehicle family may also reshape how the Serbian armed forces organize and deploy their ground units. By consolidating multiple roles into a single standardized platform, Serbia gains the ability to field more versatile formations that can adapt to shifting threats without requiring extensive logistical overhauls. For example, a unit equipped primarily with the tactical armored variant could, if necessary, integrate a loitering munition launcher version or electronic warfare module without significant disruption. This approach mirrors trends seen in larger military powers, where standardization and modularity are used to build flexible and resilient force structures capable of rapid deployment. While the Alexander the Unifier has only just been introduced, its potential impact on Serbia's military posture is already apparent. The system represents a calculated step toward modernization, reflecting both practical needs and strategic ambitions. Its modularity, protection, and mobility address the operational challenges of today's security environment, while its symbolic unveiling during a major national celebration reflects the political significance of military progress. In essence, this vehicle is not just an armored platform, it is a statement of intent by Serbia to maintain a capable, modern, and self-reliant defense force in a rapidly changing world. Looking ahead, the true test of the Alexander the Unifier will come in its operational deployment. Questions remain about its performance in real-world conditions, the scale of production, and the extent to which Serbia will integrate the system across its armed forces. Export interest could also play a role in determining its future, as the defense industry often relies on external markets to sustain production and development. Nevertheless, the unveiling has already achieved its primary purpose, drawing attention to Serbia's defense innovation and demonstrating that even smaller nations can make significant strides in modern military technology when they embrace flexibility, modularity, and forward-looking design principles.